I'm here in Itogon in Benguet. And today, i-explore natin ang bagong bukas na cafe dito. Ito ang Cafe Stella. Cafe Stella is located in Barangay 733, Ambuklaw Road, Itogon, Benguet. Going to Cafe Stella from Baguio Botanical Garden via Ambuklaw Road will only take you 15 minutes to your destination. Though madaming zigzag roads along your way, mag-e-enjoy naman kayo sa mga view sa inyong dadaanan. Cafe Stella is open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Mondays to Sundays. For today, we decided to go very early in the morning for us to have breakfast at Cafe Stella. Ang sarap ng weather dito dahil promise, malamig ang temperature dito sa Cafe Stella. I was surprised kasi bukod sa Cafe Stella ay meron din sila ditong place to stay, ang Itogon Mountain Village Cabins. At ang restaurant na ang pangalan ay Imas, which means delicious in their local dialect. So ito ang reception area ng Itogon Mountain Village. At ito naman ang very spacious restaurant ng Imas. Very relaxing ang ambience dito. You can also enjoy the mountain view if you stay in the balcony. Nako, may dahilan na naman ako para bumalik dito. Next time, I will definitely stay in one of their cabins and try the dishes in the menu of Imas. Ito guys, yung iba sa mga cabins nila dito. And lucky for us, we were given an opportunity to have a quick glimpse in one of their cabins. Ito ang Apaya 101 o yung A-frame cabin na nakikita natin just beside the Cafe Stella signage. This cabin has a capacity of 6 persons. It has one bathroom, may balcony with a very breathtaking view. Pwede kayong umupo lang dito, relax, and just enjoy the view. This cabin has 2 levels. Akyatin naman natin ang second level niya. It has 2 single bed, 1 double bed, and 1 sofa bed. Also, meron din dito na balcony with a breathtaking view. Pwede din kayong tumambay dito and just relax. Ito naman yung isang balcony sa harap. Pwede kayong mag-photobomb sa mga nagpipicture dito sa harap. Nice idea. Magawa nga. So, bababa na tayo to go to Cafe Stella. Cafe Stella just opened its doors last April 2024. And guys, very spacious ang cafe. Very relaxing. Ang ganda pa ng view. The wood that surrounds the place makes it more cozy. Guys, I guess this is the best seat in the house. Mukhang dito ako pupwesto. Tamang-tama, ako nauna dito sa Cafe Stella. I got to choose the seat that I want. Para ako nasa tree house. Ang presko ng napili ko. So, eto na ang kanilang menu. May holiday special sila for this Christmas season. Meron din silang all-day breakfast, pancakes, and sandwiches. Madami na akong gustong orderin. Meron din silang small bites or appetizers, salad, and pastas. May rice bowls and desserts. May cakes and pastries din sila dito for my sweet tooth. They also have some coffee and non-coffee drinks to choose from. Meron din silang tea and sodas to choose from. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang alcoholic drinks like beer, cocktails, wine, and on the rocks. Of course, I ordered for a brewed coffee to start my day. At heto lang naman yung order ko for breakfast. Breakfast nga lang ba ito? Parang hanggang tanghalian na yata itong order ko. So, my first order is their longganisa with scrambled egg, garlic rice, and their garlicky longganisa with atsara on the side. Next is their beef tapa. Of course, the yummy garlic rice, beef tapa, sunny side up egg, and atsara on the side. Ito naman ang isa sa mga must-try, ang kanilang 3-layer ube cheese pancake. Ito pa lang parang heavy na sa tummy ko. Of course, I have to try their Stella sandwich. There is something special about this sandwich. And their chicken burger with coleslaw on the side. I also ordered for their Stella potato wedges. Gosh, I really love carbs. Obvious ba? At ang kanilang kiniing Caesar salad. Kiniing means cured or smoked meat. Eto naman ang kanilang toffee French toast. I love French toast. So guys, umpisaan na natin. Next to potato wedges. The potato, dito natin dito sa mayo mix. Sarap yung combination ng mayo and parang grated ano kaya ito? It's a grated parsley maybe. Next ko itong salad. Sa salad. So dalawa to na pinagpatong. So you just remove this one. And then, yeah. This is the Stella sandwich. I think this is chicken na may parang mayo and some lettuce sa loob. Sarap, parang siyang yung saltiness niya is tama-tama. Just right. Tikman natin itong coleslaw. Hindi siya masyadong maasim. Tama lang. That's right. Next, tikman natin itong longganisa. Ang longganisa raw nila is maraming garlic. So, sounds like not just one. The longganisa is good. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng walang rice.
Pero hindi gusto niyo sa suka. Ihabol mo yung suka. And then itong sari-side up. Favorite ko siya hinahalo sa rice. Meat at sara on the side. Dito at dito. Tama lang yung asim niya. Tama lang yung asim niya. Let's chow. It's chow time. Ang lambot ng beef dapat. Guys, sorry. Galit-galit muna tayo. Malambot ang tapos. The happy way to eat the burger is to squeeze it para madaling gagatin kasi sa bibig. Chicken burger. Best with coleslaw.
For this season, they have a Christmas village or tiangge where you can enjoy some of the native stuffs from Itogon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!